Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video we are going to test out a new brand. So I was seeing this brand on Instagram and I was really interested because it is one of newest India's makeup brand. I'm talking about Kiro Beauty. So I decided to buy a few products. So I saw a few products of Kiro Beauty on Amazon, and from Amazon I bought the blush, highlighter and lipstick. For some unknown reasons the eye makeup products were not available, so for that I had to go to Kiro Beauty's website and I placed the order of eyeliner, eyeshadow stick and kajal from Kiro Beauty website. So everything reached properly, nicely, and within like I think 3 to 4 days. And I was thinking of doing first impressions video because I really enjoy doing such videos, and I hope you guys also enjoy these videos. So let's start with the makeup. Since Kiro Beauty does not have complexion products like not the complexion product, the base makeup products like foundation, concealer, powder, brow products, so I think I should do it first and then come back. Doing my eyebrow, foundation, concealer and bronzer. So first product that I'm going to use from Kiro Beauty is the blush. So the blush comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. It's very beautiful and bright. I really like the color combination of blue and orange. So blush is priced at rupees 900 and you are getting a huge like 9 grams compact. And the blush has a very beautiful mirror. There's a swatch of both the colors. One side has coral blush and other side has pink. You can use either of the shades or mix both to get a beautiful color. So I'm going to mix both and get a nice color. Wow, the color is very beautiful. It looks very natural. And the blush is very pigmented. As you can see, I barely touched my face and there is so much color. It's nicely pigmented. So the blush looks very nice. It looks very beautiful. I really like it on my face. So even if it looks a bit too much, I'm going to leave it like that because blushes generally oxidize after a few minutes. So this will oxidize and look nice after a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to do my eyes, and I have all the 3 eye products that they have. So first we have Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick, and I have picked this in the shade 02 Sandy Copper. I really wanted to pick a shade that I am going to use. I did not want to experiment with the colors because then you do not end up using them. The color is very beautiful. I'm really happy, and it feels very creamy when I swatch it. So as you can see, the eyeshadow has blended in really beautifully and the color is beautiful. It's perfect for festive season. In fact, it's perfect for every day or whenever you want to wear an eyeshadow. I'm really in love with it. It is so easy to use. It is very creamy and I really like the color. It's very pretty. So the eyeshadow is Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow. It has vitamin C and mango seed oil. I'm just reading off the cardboard. It's buildable, blendable, lightweight, even and easy spread, Longwear, water resistant. It is water resistant and crease proof. And it is infused with vitamin C that repairs and revitalizes skin. Mango seed oil is for tightening and firming properties. Kiro Cosmetics is no toxins, no animal testing. and it's a vegan brand, which is amazing. Next, I will move on to the eyeliner pen. It is waterproof soft matte eyeliner pen which lasts up to 24 hours, and I've picked 01 Carbon Black. And see, the swatch is very nice. So I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. So I think the eyeliner looks very nice. It is very dark, and I was easily able to apply it, and the tip is not too stiff and it is saturated with color, so you do not really have to go back and forth to get a dark eyeliner application. I really like how it's looking on my face. So next product is going to be All Day Comfort Kajal Liner. It has marula oil and jojoba oil, and it is intense black, lightweight, easy glide, high precision, long wear, transfer and smudge proof, which is amazing. I have it in the shade 01 Carbon Black. So the kajal looks very nice. I really liked it. It is very black. I'm not sure for how long it's going to stay on my waterline because my eyes are very watery. Nothing stays on my waterline for a long time. So yeah, we'll just see how long does it stay. So next thing is highlighter. I have their Prism Perfect highlighter. It has rosehip oil and calendula oil. Shade number 1, Sandy Rose plus Pearly Bronze. It has 2 shades here. So one is suitable for medium deeper skin tone, one is suitable for fair to medium skin tone. I think both the colors would look good. So I'm going to apply a mix. It's beautiful. It's not chunky or shimmery. It is very soft, and I really love the color. So this is also for 900 rupees. I'm going to apply NYX Makeup Dewy Finish Setting Spray to set all the powder products in place. I personally really like this one. This is really good, and it will give you nice dewy finish. And for my skin, when it's extremely dry, it works like charm. So we are done, and we are on the last step, which is lipstick. So my finishing spray is drying, so let's not waste the time and let's move on. So Kiro Beauty has 2 formulas in lipstick. I think 2 formulas. I think so. So one is like your regular conventional bullet lipsticks, and the other one are these. These are airy matte liquid lipsticks. Since we are going to wear mask, I think these make more sense. At least to me, these make more sense. And this is not a new shade. This is the shade I wore in festive makeup look. If you go back and check my upload, I think last to last upload, you will find this shade. This is very beautiful. It's called Scarlet Poppy. These lipsticks are priced at 875, so not inexpensive. But this color is very beautiful. It's a cool toned red, and it's a perfect red for everyone. I'll tell you, the other color is also very beautiful. It's Pink Granite. I was not sure how this color is going to look on me because it's a mauve tone pink, but when I wore it, it looked absolutely amazing. So this color is very beautiful. Give it some time to dry. It takes some time to dry, but the formula is extremely comfortable. I wore it the day I received this lipstick. I wore it the entire day, and this I've already worn twice, so I know the formula is beautiful on these. These can probably my favorite products from the entire Kiro Beauty line, though I also really like the eyeshadow stick. It was beautiful. It was perfect. I'm really impressed with the staying power of these, plus the comfort these have. These are not like extremely drying matte lipsticks on your lips. These feel really nice, and they have a beautiful watermelon fragrance, which I really like. So with this, I completely forgot about applying mascara. I'm going to do that quickly. So I'm sitting a bit closer to my camera to show you how my makeup is looking, and I think it's looking absolutely smashing. You can see the highlighter is beautiful. It's beaming. I have a little bit of mascara here. I'm waiting for it to dry because if I move it now, it will smudge. Now you can also see the lipstick, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a very beautiful everyday color. I hardly wear pinks for everyday lipsticks, but this one is beautiful. And I think the eyeshadow looks beautiful. I went a little overboard with the eyeliner because the tip was a bit soft, and while trying to get even application, I just applied a little bit thicker eyeliner, but I think it's looking fine, right? The highlighter is beautiful. So in short, I liked everything that I have put on my face today. So I think Kiro Beauty gets a big thumbs up from me. I really liked all the products that I tried on my face today. The highlighter looks bomb. It is beautiful. Lipstick is beautiful. It is dry, but it's not drying on the lips. It's feeling kind of moisturizing and warm, the way a lip balm feels on the lip. I will highly recommend you guys to go and check out the products here. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.